Hey guys, Chase with Southeast Ohio Fishing, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook, and I would say clean, but I had bought this fish pre-gutted, pre-scaled, just because it has been a rough couple of days. But anyway, we're about to show you how to make some snapper. And the first thing that you want to do is kind of wash it off. I don't like kind of already did that before. And then I personally this is, a pair of scissors would be easier. Yep. Way easier. All right. Then the next thing that you want to do is, I like to rinse them off one more time here. Got this one. Screw it on both sides. And this is what you'll have. Just a little fillet. And then I'm actually gonna, cut it just a little deeper. And then we'll have some cut up green onions, some parsley, and cumin, a lemon, and a couple limes, some crispy panko blend, and a couple of little packets of seasoning here, some hot sauce. Use some lemons and some limes. I already have some green onions. Let's throw the scraps away here. I got black Parmesan and ranch recipe. We're going to put in a bowl. Some garlic and herb from Dash, so there's no salt. A little bit of hot sauce. Lime juice. see if we have another lemon. We do. Get a little bit of lemon juice. I'm using a straw to stir, but I'm just trying to create a paste to rub on. Make sure you guys preheat your ovens to 400. Set this off to the side. I got a couple peppers here that I had already cut up, but now I'm going to cut them up a little smaller. I don't need all of these peppers. My wife will not be eating the fish. She does not like fish. So put it back in the bowl. Bring our fish up here. And we are going to stuff it with the stuff that we just put in that bowl. I like to alternate. Whatever we have left, we're just gonna try to squeeze and juice the outside. Flip it over. About a handful of peppers. Now I'll put it on. Move this to the side. Let us get. This is for the inside. Put it on the outside. We will put all of the stuff back in it once we're done. fingers off. And then crispy panko blend. In our pan. Get that leftover stuff. We're gonna put it right on top. Peppers. Some of this parsley and cilantro. Try to get some on the inside. Green onions, same thing. Some on the outside, some on the inside. Like I said, it looks messy, and that's what we're going for. Put it in your oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And we will see you when it is done. Alright guys, this is what it looks like so far. And I'm gonna let it cool and then we can do a taste test. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys. Pretty good. A little too much lemon. Almost like a pizza flavor. So yeah, guys, that was the snapper. I've never had snapper before. I saw this recipe that was very similar, and to me, kind of tasted like pizza almost, but it had like a real strong lemon taste to it. So maybe a little bit of lemon, a little bit less lemon and lime next time. But if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And I will see you guys here soon.